Cupcakes! We're going to be using Betty Crocker Rainbow Cupcake Mix. Okay guys, so first we have to get our ingredients. So first we have 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of baking powder.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay, so we just open it. It smells really good and it actually has rainbows inside. So now we're gonna pour it. Okay guys, next step. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm pouring my eggs.
Okay, got your eggs added. Give it a little stir with the mixer.
Okay.
Just try to stir it around.
The eggs broke, guys.
Egg broke. All of it? Yep. Pour all of it in there. Mix. I'll help you pour in your oil. You want to put it in? Okay, got it. Okay. So you can either mix really hard
Or I can use
for
my
2
hand.
minutes, or you can use an electric beater as well. So there's 2 ways of mixing. So you have to do it really, really well. So what does it smell like?
It smells like very good cupcakes, like vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah. This is how it looks like when we are mixing it for 2 minutes.
So you get it nice and smooth, get all the chunks out. Okay, and now you should probably fill up your cupcakes. But first you need your cupcake liners.
Yes.
So
we have these like Dorish cupcake.
Dora cupcake liners.
Yeah.
So you put one in each cup.
Yes. This cupcake mix makes 24 cupcakes, but we're just making 6, and for the leftovers, we're just making a mini cake.
So that's the leftovers.
Yep.
I'm gonna put in your pan.
Okay, guys, so you always want to make sure to preheat your oven to 300 to
350 degrees, right?
Yes.
Right. And also always make sure you have what?
a grown up or a parent or your mom and dad to help you, or a grandma or grandpa or auntie or uncle, anyone, because you don't want to get burnt or like get hurt.
To make sure you don't run past the barbecue or a stove, because that could be really dangerous.
Yes, because my mom always tells me to stay away from the stove when she's cooking something on top. At the bottom, it's kind of cold, okay, but if you put your knee against it and it's really hot, you will get a big burn, and you do not want that. So first you need a grown-up and anybody to be beside you or next to you or do anything, or else you'll like get burnt.
Okay, so should we get this stuff in the oven?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay guys, so we set our timer to 10 minutes and then we'll be right back to check on them. It's rising. It's really rising. The cake, it's rising too. But those ones are rising because those are cupcakes. The cupcakes really rise really fast. That's the thing. So we'll come back to you after they're done. Okay? Okay guys, so always, if you want to know if the cupcakes are ready, stick a toothpick inside all the way to the bottom and bring it back up. If it comes clean, that means it's ready.
So what did you mix in your frosting?
We mixed like rainbow colors, so like red and not red, I mean blue, a pinkish, reddish color, yellow, green, and then more colors.
Nice. Look at those colors.
And we also have sprinkles.
All right, girl. So, ready? Should we start in the middle and go out?
Yeah.
Hold it with me. Do it. Maybe next time we'll start out and go in and see what the difference is, right? Ooh-wee. Turn.
How about you, Frosty, and I put sprinkles?
All right.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit. After you're done doing it, I'll show my subscribers.
We gotta
how
get to the
I
other
feel.
colors. Oh, now we got some pink coming out.
Woo!
Let's see what's next. Which one?
Different colors. Let's come out. I kind of see a little bit of green.
A little bit of green.
Just a little bit, not a lot. Wow. There's not a lot of colors coming out.
Yeah, but you know what? Maybe because we have it in layers.
Yeah.
So
You see green?
this one's coming a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one looks more rainbowy. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you gonna top it off with?
So I'm going to top it out with all these other sprinkles.
Right.
How about you frost it again and then you put like more like where the sprinkles are? Just for this
What do
one.
you mean?
Like put them over and add
Over
more
the sprinkles?
Yeah. It's like a cool flavor. Because that one's like small and short. More.
All right.
Okay,
And
next
shake it
one.
lightly so that it doesn't come out too much.
Yeah, because last time I did a lot. Yeah, I'll pour it in my hand so it will be more easier.
Yeah, those ones.
We got hearts. Hearts. Wow. I'm mixing. I'm actually mixing now. So I put chocolate and I'm gonna add more, so like different kinds. Whoa. Wow, that's a lot. This one too. Okay guys, so these cupcakes turned out really good. They are great. Thanks for watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Click subscribe and turn on. See you guys later. Bye.